What is it, Pearly? Time to eat? Yeah. So let's see if she'll eat. I'll turn down the TV a little bit. There. Okay, you ready? Oh, here, Pearly. But the phone's ringing. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. There's Jessie making dinner. Hi, Jess. Okay, so here's Pearly. And let's see if you want to eat some more here. Here you go. There you go. You okay? Do you want to try some carrots? Here, try some carrots now. Oh, open up. Oh, you don't like them, eh? You don't like them? Oh. There you go. Do you want to try this again, the cereal? Yeah, you like that better, eh? She likes the cereal. Okay. Okay. Well, say goodbye. I'll send this video off. Say bye-bye, Pearly. Give a smile. Smile, Pearly. Thank you.